she's a car girl too, eh? Where's the other one?
Yo. Got a carbon lip. Revoke wheels.
I think the side skirt is also carbon.
What's going on, people? We are here at car meet. We're kind of early. Actually, we were very early. 8 o'clock it started and it was only 8:07. But let's go see what's going on. I got my homie. Let's see who's here too. Check who's here. Look at that. Look who's here, guys.
What's going on, man? You know, Chevy S2K back in the vlogs.
Mr. Immaculate over here. Welcome back, everybody.
We got some underground racing.
They put a wide body on it. That's nice. That's a nice wide body, yo. You see when he puts his wheels on it, it's gonna look sick. Yeah, that's dope. Alright, yo, let's go check out some cars. Gotta start with this one here first. Oh, that's the car for the day. Check this out. It's clean, man. Mad clean. Oh, Advan GTs. I was wrong. Yeah, this is clean. It smells delicious. It smells like a snack. Yeah, it's like no cars. Like it?
You're vlogging?
Huh? Yeah, of course.
Get out there.
Go ahead, shout out. What's going on, guys? You guys alright?
Yeah, we're good.
You guys didn't have to get off.
Yeah, right.
That's all good. What's the plans with it?
Huh?
What's your plans with it?
What's my budget?
Yeah, what's your plans? What are you gonna do to it?
My plan? No rims, no exhaust.
Yeah?
Down, stock exhaust.
Oh, it's stock? That's okay.
Probably lower. Yeah.
Probably you have to lower it. Come on now, man. You got to. Wheels with a nice drop.
Huh?
Wheels with a nice drop. You eliminate the gap.
Yeah, I need to. I might get some wheel spacers so I can make it come out more. Because they see they're more inside right now. I might get a new one at this stage. Get them
Yeah, man.
But like I'm saving money right now, so I can get some.
Bro, it's Canada, bro.
I know.
I like that wing. GT style wing. Sick. Yeah, you see, look. You see how his drop is?
Huh?
You see how his drop is? Eliminate the gap there?
I know. It looks
That's
cool.
perfect right there. That's all you need. Just put some nice wheels on
I
it.
need money first.
Yeah, see how you debadged it? This is a nice drop.
This is the different one to get for the S2.
This is the one I'm talking about. You see how the drop is? Look at his paint. This is clean. Yeah, this one's clean. I like it a lot. Oh, you closed the bonnet? Close the bonnet, but this is what it is. This is what it is. I'm gonna wait until more cars come in. We'll see what's going on. What happened to that Benz? The Benz left, eh?
No, Ben's parked over there.
You hear the turbo on that thing? Honda.
That's the big body.
Ooh, clean. Oh, that TL was clean. That TL was clean. Oh, this is sick. This is sick. Yeah, this is ill. gotta get another one. You have to get another one. Have to.
Yo, that's what I'll get if I told
Have to. Look at this. Nice drop on this. Yo, he's tucked. Huh? He's tucked. Tucked. Follow him. Ghost. Huh? Oh shit, duck spoiler on it too? Yeah, this is nice. I don't know what kind of wheels he's gonna put on it. Ooh. Come, let's go take a walk. You got wipes? Got a Honda over here. Check out the Civic. Ooh, Canon. Civic. But yeah. Ooh.
Old school, you know?
Real old school. I'm liking this though.
Yeah,
It's a nice drop. Nice drop. Fucking sick. Yeah. Yo, shit's nice, man. What do you put springs on it?
Yeah.
What kind of springs you got on it?
2 inches down the Worxx.
Yeah, Volkland?
Yeah.
It's nice, man.
nice.
Really clean. Oh shit. Oh, I want my best to look like this. For the Beamers, which one is this? 35 or 28? Ooh, 35. Okay. It's a diesel though. That's sick. You don't see the diesels that much. Shout out JD and West. This is clean. Yeah, this is clean. Got Brimbos on there. Got the Brimbos, yo. The carbon looks nice. The carbon weave on it. Yeah, this is nice. That's clean. TSX right beside. TSX looks clean too though. K-Tune. I wonder if it really is K-Tune. Got the ST. Yo, don't sleep on these Focuses, huh? What's that, Beamer? I like this color. Oh, you see the N right there too? Yes, sir. Wow. Wow, this is clean, yo.
Yeah,
this is clean. Wow.
The bog model.
Wow. She sounds nice, man. This is sick, though.
Yeah, these are sick.
These are crazy. These are crazy. Oh shit. Oh, that's nice.
Never seen that.
With the brown on it? Okay. Okay. Yeah. It looks like it's getting a little packed. See, I'm telling you, when people see the camera, it's a different thing.
They want to be on there.
This is sick. I like this hottie.
Bro, did you guys see me on those
Chop chop, where you at, man?
fast lane were missing? Those bumps were you there? No, I went no, we saw them. Those bumps in the fast lane.
Ooh. Nah, it just
wasn't there before.
it just pulled up.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm like, we couldn't walk past.
This definitely just pulled up. Got the Evo here. Okay. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah. That's fucking stupid.
Go to the fucking answer. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's evil. It's evil. Yeah, this is nice.
Thank you.
This is nice.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Oh shit.
Amazing.
Would you rather this or the 9 or the 8? Which one?
I'm sorry?
Which one you like? This one, 8 or the 9?
I mean, this does everything the 9 does. The only thing is just heavy. So like for what it is, it's tough. It's a cool way to spend like 60 grand. But
Exactly, right?
But it still
As long as
goes.
you're having fun with
yeah, it
it.
moves.
It still goes
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah, we definitely we go to the roll race event every year at Cayuga.
Okay, you go?
Cayuga,
All
we
right.
give the Hellcats a hard time. So.
Alright, we'll see you there.
Don't worry,
then.
we'll see you
Yeah?
there. We'll see you.
Yeah, we'll see you.
Yeah, what do you guys have?
Nah, I just got the YouTube channel, Pristine Worxx.
Hell yeah,
Right.
man.
My
I got
boy
S2000.
has
That's
S2000 units.
2000? No way. AP1 or AP2?
AP1.
Fuck yeah, man. Those things, my boy had 2 of them. He had a big turbo and then a supercharged.
Oh, nice.
The supercharged weight made 599, and then the turbo made 775 at Tony.
Told you.
Yeah.
Boosting,
Yeah,
motherfucker. Told you. You gotta boost it.
No slouch. I work at a dealership. We got one that's rated in.
They scream.
Because I'm used to turbo cars, so like, I was giving it at like 3K, and I was like, alright. And then I gave it at like 6, 7K.
Yeah.
Scream. Scream.
Yeah.
You didn't even hit VTEC once you're in 4K, yo. You gotta hit that
I genuinely
VTEC.
wanted S2K. Like, there's so proper bitches.
Told you. Told you, boost it there. You gotta boost it. You gotta boost it.
Have to go
Ooh, turbo. What do you say? 5 in the turbo?
turbo went 7.
7?
And the
Supercharge is 5? Supercharging gonna feel a better feel because it's, you know,
Better takeoff.
it's more natural.
Fuel
Natural.
economy. Turbo.
Oh, look who it is. How are you? How's everything?
Long time no see.
Let me see you guys come in. How are you?
We're over there.
Oh yeah? You guys are hiding.
Hi.
Oh, there you are. There it is. Spotted.
Right there.
Spotted. Oh, there he is. What do you guys have now?
That's Santa Cruz.
Oh, no way. Let's go check this out.
We got rid of the Jeep.
Oh, got rid of the Jeep?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna bend the Charger. Oh my, or the Challenger.
The Hellcats at home sleeping.
I'm good. How are you?
I knew we'd see somebody.
You gotta check out your new car, man. Oh man, how you like it? Yeah. Brand new, fresh off the lot, guys. Look at this. It's my first time actually seeing it. Hyundai. This actually looks pretty nice in person, I'm not gonna lie. Short cab. Which? This? Yeah?
Yeah, it's a 2.5.
Woo! Do some mods to it. Do an engine, do a ECU tune or a flash.
That's what I'm saying. Then
That's the BMW X5.
yeah, but if you put a tune on this, it'll be beating that all day.
The X5 was loud. Holy. Look at the squirrel.
And there's a squirrel.
I guess that's where they would hide.
It's warm in here. That's a smart squirrel. Let's go take a good look at this wide body. When you push the wheels on this, it's probably gonna look nice. You don't really see this body style with the wide body kit on it. And it's pretty nice. Yeah.
Wingless too?
Of course. Driven in winter. Love it. Sick. Sick. Sitting here all quiet. Sitting looking all pretty.
Saying you could shut them up any day. Like whatever.
Yeah, this is gorgeous.
Nobody's talking to you right now. You're chilling. You're not 950.
Ooh. Yeah, watch the bump. Nice city. That's nice. Yeah, I mess with these, eh? These are sick. Nice exhaust. See his tips? Waru. Wagon. Carbon fiber body. Well, that's not carbon fiber, it's just black. 4 Series GTS. I think he drifts that. Slab Camry. Nice job. Yo, this is sick, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Holy crap, bro.
Thank you.
First time seeing the V.
Yeah.
Tell me about it. Tell me a little bit about it.
682 wheel, or not wheel, crank. V8 supercharged, same as the Z06
Yeah.
and ZL1. Not that many coming to Canada. From what I heard, there's only 150 coming
Only
to Canada.
100, yeah, no.
So
You one of the lucky ones.
got lucky one. Thank you.
It's mad nice. Let me hear if you can. Let me hear a little
It's
bit.
a rev lift if I got you.
Alright. Came with the lights. Yo, this is nice. Go up? Air ride just went up. Yeah. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay then. Okay then. Ooh. Under 340. What do you guys think about this future car? Yo, these things are bad, eh? Yo, these things are bad. It's a G70 turbo, huh? All-wheel drive turbo. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is you? This is nice car, man.
Now, this is my first time here. Is this usually what it's like here?
It gets bigger, but yeah.
Yeah, summertime gets a lot.
Summertime is a lot bigger, but there should be more. Oh yeah, where'd you come from?
Came from up north.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Well, welcome, man. Well, welcome. How you liking it so far? Yeah? It's cold, man. That's exactly what it is. It's cold. Well, you got a beautiful car, man.
I'm Croatian, so you know I'm used to the summer.
I'm Nathaniel. Nathaniel. Nice to meet you, man.
We have no COVID. Everybody
Nah, we're good, man.
I'm used to warmer weather.
Yeah, you.
It's like never goes below 15 degrees.
Oh, you're lucky. Below, never below 15. Yeah, this is dope. Look at this. Lots getting pretty packed. Fucking sick. Oh my gosh, Velocity, you guys are sick. Shout out to you guys. Velocity Performance. I know, right? Shout out to Velocity Performance. That is amazing. I want to hear the exclusive. What are you saying? He's calling you out. He's calling you out. What are you saying?
My car sounds electric compared to him.
Yeah, right. Don't diss your car, man. Yo, what kind of wheels you gonna put on it?
I'm gonna throw some ESRs on it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yo, the wide body looks sick on it, bro.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate
Really,
it.
really nice. Yo, shout yourself out.
It's 04 WRX_04.
Nice, 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 nice. You guys can smell this right now.
It's like
Oh, corn. Oh my gosh. Coming heavy. Oh my gosh. Just the smell of beautiful corn. Everyone's here, everyone's trying to flock over. What, that Beamer? Oh my gosh. That 5 Series Beamer?
Can you see Victoria D?
Victoria D or Canada D? All day. That's the top #1.
Velocity Performance.
Bro.
I'm telling you, it's nuts. That was crazy.
Shoot the car.
You guys were inside the car. You guys were inside the car. I was standing out here.
It's like,
Yo, I was standing out here. Okay? The dust from the ceiling, whatever this is, was falling down. This is sick though. This is the K. That's the 2-door to yours. That's the one my brother had. Slam. He beat Clippy, remember? In the race. Shout out to you, Clips. Guy with the G7, he just moved down here. Yeah, just moved down here. It's cold. And where I'm from, the coldest I guess is like 15. Like, coming north? North. That's how you said north. Ooh, truck, they shut them up quick. That truck sound nice. That truck sound kind of nice. Had a little growl to it. Knock in the front. Look at this. What are your thoughts, guys? Leave it in the comment below. That's a lot. Leave it in the comment below. Tell me your guys' thoughts. Thumbs up if you guys like that. Oh, give me an etiquette. Oh shit. But then he just stops.
Yeah, right when he gets the crunch. That's when you gotta keep going.
Right? Oh my god. Alright then. Ah, yes. Yes, let's go. ETS air cooler, I like this a lot. I really do. Carbon fiber on it, and rally joint on it. It's just sick. Alright. Perfect timing. I gotta catch you leaving, man. I like this a lot. I really do. Next to the Benzo though. Yeah. Where's my lady at? Oh, never mind. Yep, that is sexy. Okay. This is clean. I like this satin white. I like that. Oh. Go. You guys seeing this? Stupid. Got the red guards. He has the friggin' carbon seats in it. Oh, this is gorgeous. That's that Beamer X5 that was making that noise. That one's sick. That one's stupid right there too. Don't get twisted. These are dumb. Focus STs. Boosted, these are fast, you know. Yo, your Focus is nice, man. Sweet. This is that Beamer that was making that noise. And shit was coming off of the ceiling. Excuse my language. Shout out to Velocity Performance. I told y'all. insane Beamer, insane. This thing right here is insane. Got a Mustang, pretty sick. This is clean. Like the lights. Got the red guts in it too. Let's go see the Subaru squad. Not bad, not bad.
It's a good turnout.
Yeah, it's a nice little turnout. Yo, you know when it gets...
Like those, the CS6.
Those are still nice. Those has K's in it, you know.
Yeah, I know. Did you ever get a type rescue?
Subaru. You see? You hear the growls? Listen to the growls, man. Subaru gang. Oh, nice wheels. Those are some nice wheels. I like those wheels. This is clean. Got this one. Listen to it purr. Listen to that purr. Single exhaust, single exhaust. This one's clean. She's hiding. She's hiding. This is nice. She look good in the red. Nah. She look good in the red. That's clean. Then you got the new one beside it. Which one would you guys take? This body style or that body style? I kind of like the red one. I'm not gonna lie. No, but I'm just saying, body style wise, which one would you guys take?
Oh,
right, I'm taking SI red one. Red one's clean. I like that. Check out this CSX. Go back in the car, warm up a little bit. I like this white. See how I remember you're talking about you want the little pearl into it? That's a nice pearl on there. They popped the bonnet on the Honda. Ooh. Of course, D16. Yeah, you gotta get an IS back again, you know. You have to. This IS is just beautiful. Honda Chevy.
yeah, no, it's immaculate.
You gotta get. We're gonna get another TL, babe. Don't worry. We'll get another one. Oh, all you Volkswagen fans, there's one right there. Yo, not a bad meet. Not a bad turnout. It's kind of cold outside, so we're probably gonna leave here a little bit early. It's only like 9:49. Oh yeah, I'm in a loaner car. I told you guys that already. Maybe, maybe not. But I'm telling you guys again, and I don't care. Raven's getting fixed. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.